Hello again and welcome. This is Robert Schein, Managing Director and Partner of Blanke, Schein Wealth Management. Today is December 15th. It's a Tuesday. Markets are moving. Let's discuss what the markets are paying attention to, therefore we're paying attention to here for our clients at Blanke, Schein Wealth Management. Let's go through the daily updates. Well, is Santa Claus coming to town? The question is, the first couple of weeks of December have sort of been choppy at best, but historically speaking in our morning research, again, we have a lot of independent sources of research that we sift through and go through here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management, especially our investment committee. And what we've discovered is, the most recent is from Jones Trading this morning, what traders are watching is that historically, if you look at the almanac, in the past, and it always doesn't predict the future, but it's a good sort of barometer as we watch markets, is that the second half, the last few weeks of December, historically speaking, have been extremely positive for the equity markets. It's usually year-end trading, squaring up positions, rallies that are going to sort of take us into the new year, or even catch-up trading. A lot of trading desks out there in terms of the professional money management world have to sort of use the next couple of weeks to catch up to get that last bit of performance in there. So historically speaking, it's positive. We're also on the heels of a Federal Reserve meeting that are going to have some announcements tomorrow as well. And that, historically speaking as well, has an 80+% chance of being an up day from a trading standpoint the day before the FMOC meets. So today is a positive day, but from December 15th on, let's see if history repeats itself and it's positive and we actually do get the Santa Claus rally. Another fuel to the potential fire of the Santa Claus rally would be the bipartisan support growing in Congress for a deal between now and year end. As I've been talking about, reporting about ad nauseum this whole year, it's unfortunate that politics is being played in Washington when those families, especially this time of year, more than ever need some help. So whether hopefully Congress will come to an agreement, get a skinny deal passed, get some checks in the mail to the families and the small businesses that need them between now and the next couple of weeks, I think that would be the least they could do, because that's actually much needed as we see this second round of coronavirus play out. And so everything's shut down. And our final topic of the day is if we look again back in history in our research, what traders are looking at this morning from Jones Trading, once again, they have taken the rally that we've seen earlier this year to today, and they overlaid the rally that we've seen back in 2009. Remember, we had 2006, 7, 8 financial markets and the essentially credit markets. Everything was upside down. We had a huge correction back then, but then we had the market bottomed and we had a reversal from a bear market to a bull market. In 2009, that's what started the bull market all the way through just most recently till March of this year when it was reset. That being said, that bear market earlier this year was less than a few days, if at all, a month and a half. It wasn't very much. So that reset to a bear market, and once it hit a low, it reset to a bull market. So we had a long expansion from 2009 to earlier this year. We had a reset, so a bull market to a bear market. Now, what the Trader's Almanac and what research has been showing is that we're in a new bull market. But if you take that 2009 rally and overlay it with what we've seen today, that pattern of market and trend being upward, it is eerily similar, if not ideally matched. So if that's the case and that plays out going forward, we're about halfway into the rally itself, so there's a lot more room to run. And we firmly believe that here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management, that any opportunity going forward is a viable entry point in the market. As we could see in January, markets pull back because of election anxiety. That's going to come up. But between now and then, we should see potentially the Santa Claus is coming to town. So let's hope for that. And thanks for watching. Until again, next time. Take care. Have a good one.